Maddie has been living her dream in a beautifully crafted Rivendale home for the past year. Today, she shares her story, one filled with excitement, discovery, and the joy of finding the perfect place to call home.
I have been in Austin for the last 12 years. It was a great city to be young and have some fun, and now I'm finding that it's a really special place to raise kids. I am a stay-at-home mom to our two daughters, Davy and Noah. It was always a dream of mine to stay home with my kids when they were young, and so I'm grateful I get to do that. We have a puppy. His name is Bandit. We were not looking for a home. We had planned to remodel or add on to our house because we were sure that nothing was going to check all the boxes or meet all of my demands, and so we were not looking. Took a few weeks, kind of drove around town. Our realtor had mentioned that this house had popped up. She kind of stumbled upon it. We snuck in as painters were painting, and as we walked in, we saw the open floor plan, the lights, the pool, the fountains were on, and we were sold. The main thing we were looking for was more space. We have two growing girls, and we wanted them to have room to play inside and outside, and we wanted them to have their own rooms. And we also wanted something that was new and modern, but also had character, which is a really hard combo. We had seen just a handful of other houses, mostly to get ideas, and that wasn't something that we came across. Everything was kind of cookie cutter, new build. There was a house, that we liked, and then there was the same house 3 doors down. So this one felt special and unique. In fact, when we found this house, ours was not even on the market, so we had to scramble to make this happen. We had one small issue, and I think from the time I emailed saying this popped up, it was fixed within a matter of weeks. I bugged them about paint colors and questions, and I've always gotten a quick response. I have no complaints. Everybody was kind and helpful. The week before closing, I asked somebody to change out a light fixture, and they just smiled and did it. Everyone was accommodating and kind, and even to this day, they've been responsive. Our realtor had driven by, and she said, "I know you're not really looking, but I think this might be the one." And so we snuck in, and I think it was meant to be. I love the fact that it is a place where my kids can have friends over, we can celebrate, we can host people, and they can build some really sweet memories here. I don't think we'll ever leave.
At Rivendale, we don't just build homes, we create life's most meaningful moments. If you're ready to find your forever home, we're here to help make it a reality. Start your journey with Rivendale Homes.